So our initial meeting was really informative, and we met Rotem and instantly hit it off together, feeling like we had a common vision for what we wanted to create with our project.
Yeah, and I would say that it was a big difference from prior construction contracts we've had because we didn't have a designer. So we had to kind of figure it out ourselves, and we're not as good as Rotem is. Yeah, very polite and thorough. I always found her to have a smile on her face, and even when we would bring up issues that we wanted to go in a little bit different direction, she kept that good energy and kind of stayed on point with the big picture components of the project.
I really enjoyed seeing our project evolve as we were designing it together. So we did several iterations of PowerPoints, mood boards, and simulations, the 3D renderings. And so we could see our project evolving before we ever had a hammer or a nail put to the house. So it was really nice.
Yeah, we had a few hiccups. Every project has hiccups. And I would say the nice thing is that even if we would get frustrated about something and call it out, we're pretty honest. But Rotem was very receptive to that honest feedback. And she ran point on solving things, but also the crew themselves were very willing to jump in and make sure we were happy with the results. We're happy with where we are on our house, but absolutely. In fact, we've already made a referral on the same block, and I believe they're gonna start soon.
I was a main communicator on our project, and I feel like I was taken very good care of by Rotem with both the software and with our messaging. And we worked through a lot of details together, and over the course of the project, I think reached a point where we were both really happy with the outcome.